She's very versatile.
Versatility makes it superior.
What is it?
It's a 200-year-old Volkswagen. They really built these things, didn't they?
Suppose that's a tiller? It's amazing that they leave this stuff out here to rust away. I think at the time they could recover it or just sell it to somebody else. Or just amazing. This is a new one. I did not see this. Tandem. I just saw this too. This is like this uncounted number of vintage farm equipment just sitting here. Now, this looks like it might be a horse-drawn harvester. Wow. I mean, this is museum stuff. Maybe not its current form. Remarkable. Oh, look at those wheels. Combine harvester got me. Oh, here we go. John Deere. New John Deere Moline. I think it's Molander. Deere Molander. At least I can look it up. Wow, those wheels alone are cool. Oh, John Deere Moline, Illinois. Here. New John Deere. At one time. And it still revolves. Wow, look at that. Deere seem a little bit frozen for some reason. There's his pedal. Look at that pedal. Alright, there's a vintage piece. It's remarkable. This camera's going to run out of juice. I cannot stay in cameras. This is an old one. And it doesn't take rechargeable batteries. You got to put in new ones. And it always seems to suck them dry. Look at this thing. It is versatile. It's versatile, I tell you. Well, this looks like it might be able to be fired up. Must be 1960s, 1950s vintage. I mean, look at these things. They're still pretty... Oh, freaking bugs. Now we got the midges. Look at this engine. It's like a giant swamp cooler. It's a Wisconsin heavy-duty air-cooled engine. Wisconsin engine, yeah, I've heard of those. I couldn't really get close to this because of snakes. Oh, we got a toolbox. It's versatile, I'll tell you. Wow. Model 103, serial number D2878. There goes the power again.
I routinely mislabeled my arms shipments farm machinery.
I'm gonna hoist it up and drag it out.